How to fix Android brightness increases automatically in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Android brightness increases automatically in WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Settings app on your device. Scroll down. Tap Display and Brightness option. Scroll down. Look for the option for auto brightness, which is under the brightness section. If you have toggled the button on, maybe this is the reason why it has been increasing automatically in WhatsApp. To disable that or fix that issue, make sure to toggle the button off for auto brightness. Now check whether your issue resolved or not. If not resolved, with the help of the quick settings menu bar at top of the screen, simply for getting that, you can swipe from the up to the down, and then you need to simply toggle the button off for the auto brightness, which is next to the brightness slider, and turn it to gray. Once you do that, your issue will be fixed. If not, restart your device once. Hold on the power button on your device, and simply with the help of the slider, you can slide towards restart, and a simple restart can easily fix this kind of issue. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.